Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 11, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Second row and third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First grid, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I and 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 9th row, we have pair numbers 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 9th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. And we can confirm 4 also here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Column G, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 7. Fourth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, second row we have pair number 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 6. Fifth row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth row, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Fifth row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.